The periodic table of rivers Cuomo. This table has many Cuomos, including Blue Album Cuomo, Quarantine Cuomo, Kid Cuomo, Andrew Cuomo, Rivers Hobo, Family Feud Cuomo, Snazzy Cuomo, and Cowboy Cuomo, just to name a few. And it may seem like they're all just put in random places, but they are organized through periodicity, and in order to view some of these trends, we need to get rid of the names of the Cuomos. Now that our table is more condensed, we can see that it's organized through coolness, increasing from left to right, weirdness, increasing from top to bottom, and is separated into two categories of Cuomos and non-Cuomos. To get a better understanding, let's look at specific parts of the table. To view how Cuomos change in coolness, we can look at the individual rows. Here I've taken out the first row, which contains the least weird Cuomos, and the last row, which contains the most weird Cuomos. You can see that in the least weird row, the least cool Cuomo is Blue Album Cuomo, followed by Rivers Normo, Harvard Cuomo, Happy Cuomo, and Snazzy Cuomo being the most cool. And in the most weird row, we have Andrew Cuomo as the least weird Cuomo, Rivers, Dark Cuomo, Weird Al Cuomo, and Alien Cuomo at the most cool. To view how Cuomos change in weirdness, we can look at the individual columns. Here I've taken out the first column, which contains the least cool Cuomos, and the last column, which contains the most cool Cuomos. You can see that in the least cool column, you have the least weird Cuomo, Blue Album Cuomo, followed by Bowl Cut Cuomo, Quarantine Cuomo, Kid Cuomo, and Andrew Cuomo. And in the most cool column, you have the least weird Cuomo being Snazzy Cuomo, followed by Cowboy Cuomo, then Space Cuomo, Finn Wolfhard Cuomo, and Alien Cuomo. The last way that the periodic table of Cuomo is organized is by whether each Cuomo is a Cuomo or a non-Cuomo. Most Cuomos are Cuomos, but Andrew Cuomo, Rivers, Dark Cuomo, Weird Al Cuomo, Alien Cuomo, and Finn Wolfhard Cuomo belong to the non-Cuomos category. Through understanding how these three characteristics change within the periodic table of Cuomo, we can see that it's not a sloppy table of random Cuomos thrown together, but that it's a highly organized table that allows you to know the characteristics of each Cuomo just by where it is on the table.